Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. I'm out in my queen dome and it is over 80 degrees. I've got the ends opened. We're not opening the sides yet, but it is February. It is February the 9th. It went from cold several days to hot. So we've got it vented open, but I'm going to leave it at 80 because it's late in the afternoon. I'm going to shut it up shortly and keep the heat in overnight. But Danny and I have been planting sweet potato slips and regular potatoes, and I had some left over. So this whole side, you guys are going to be my stickers or my name tags. This, I had to dig one up to see. These are our red potatoes that I had left. So I put some of our red potatoes here. So this is take two. From the mums to here. Red potatoes. From here to here, you see the purple stems? Purple Majesty fingerling potatoes. They're not fingerlings, but Purple Majesty potatoes. They don't get very big, about like this. From this stub to this stub is my French fingerlings, because you can see the little pink looking. And from here to here is some little white ones, kind of a variety of white, something that we had. And look what I found. Supper. As I was cleaning and putting my fertilizer out and stuff, I found enough French fingerlings to have supper. Isn't that awesome? Oh, wow. I managed to get it fertilized and watered. The potatoes planted. You guys are my stickers, my name tags. Keep up with what I said because I'll forget. On this side, I went ahead and fertilized and got it ready. We're going to plant English peas on the back end down there. I watered my microgreens, and y'all, I think in 3 to 4 days, y'all going to notice something different about the microgreens, but I'm keeping it a secret for another day or two. We'll check back in a day, 2 days, and show you the microgreens. I watered and fertilized the GreenStalk. All my strawberries are starting to put berries on. And I watered all the carrots and the rutabagas. Guys, it's beginning to look a little like spring. I love it when I can plant. And I've got some plants in the house ready to go. And y'all, we had English peas and carrots for lunch. I had it was an English pea salad with carrots and cheese. Mayonnaise, oh my goodness. Y'all, that stuff is just to die for. So, eating fresh, that's what it is. And I have potatoes for supper that I dug up out of here. Isn't that awesome? So guys, check back with Crazy Days. We'll see y'all in a day or two.